So we are going to go ahead and be on our stuff today. We're going to get dinner prepped and put in the crock pot early. This is a very easy, simple recipe that you guys can make during the week. It's basically chicken spaghetti, but I made it in the crock pot and it was so good. What's today? Tuesday? Lord, it's only Tuesday. Jesus. But and don't y'all mind me. Yes, this is the same dress, but it's clean. This is my house/work dress. One of them. So you might see this color a lot. But I just showed y'all I'm making some chicken spaghetti, but your girl being lazy today, so I'm doing it in the crock pot. Now I will still make the noodles on the stove because I like to boil my noodles in chicken broth. So I'll make the noodles on the stove, and then once this cooks down, I'll shred the chicken up, and then I will put the noodles in, and then I have the cream cheese and the cheese sitting out so it can get a little soft. I'm gonna grate the cheese, and then I'm gonna put the cream cheese and the grated cheese into the crock pot, mix it all together, and let it cook for about another hour. I'm a little bit late starting it, but it's all right. It'll still be done before Taylor get out of cheer practice, which is 7. And by the time I pick her up and we get back home, it'll be 8. Ethan will be already have ate dinner by then, took his bath, and on his way to bed. So, yep, that's what I'm making today. What y'all making for dinner? We're not having, I guess I got a little bit of a Mexican twist. I got the rotel and the diced tomatoes, but yeah, we're not doing Mexican today. I needed something quick, easy. So we're doing Crockpot chicken spaghetti. I'm gonna stop and get some garlic bread. They like that cheesy garlic bread. But yep, we're gonna call it that. Okay, y'all, here goes the refrigerator that I was supposed to show y'all. You know, I've put all the mom things on there already because that's needed, honey. The calendar, cheer schedule, this day, that day, and all the other days. Rejoice always. So it's the double one with the freezer. I didn't get the water dispenser because y'all know I already got my water thing. So, it ain't all that organized, but this is it. I love it. I love this cool pantry right here. But yep. And then, y'all know how I look, the freezer. Gotta go grocery shopping. And then the top part. So yeah, that is it, y'all. Game day, y'all. Look at my girl. She's looking how cute.
Man, what is they doing with that big old truck?
And she fussing and drive the school drop off
That's
traffic.
why I can't drive. I just can't do it. You see them?
Oh, they're so cute. Y'all see the cheerleaders? Sparkly backpacks.
Here you go.
All right, we're going to go ahead with our ROTC, with the posting and the colors.
Would you please stand for the presentation of the colors?
At the twilight's last
gave up the ball. They gotta stop it.
Your daddy already did the light that fast?
That I'ma make you wait for it.